Hey guys, so I ordered a fireplace after a lot of research, an electric fireplace that I needed for my living room. So finally ordered the Dynasty fireplace. This is the model number DY-BT55. These are the dimensions for the fireplace, but these are the dimensions for the box, you know, the package itself. So instead of 64, the length is 55 inches. It's about 8.5 inches deep. Well, at least needs the clearance, and about 19 inches, 19.5 is the height. I ordered this from online. It was a little pricey. I didn't want anything that would go bad on me after a couple of uses, so I want to see how this is going to turn out. So let's unbox it. It's nicely packaged. I ordered it from Wayfair. Remote control with some batteries. Electric outlet, or cord rather. That's the decorative stones. Alright, so let me take it out of the box and crank it up, see how it is. It's pretty long, but it does have good handles, you know, on each side. And so you can grab and pull it out of the box. Some more stones, the decorative stones. I don't know where this piece came from, but I'm sure I'll figure it out. I kind of like it. It's nice and wide. It's about 55 inches. Let me see what's in this box, and of course more stones. So that's about it. Let me just measure it to see how exactly the dimension for the unit itself is. Okay, this is dust. I thought it was. Yeah, this is. See how it's a little white. Yeah, seems like it's being used or scratched, but I think it's just dust. So good packaging. I like the box. They had the styrofoam underneath, and then on top, you know, overall good packaging. Let me grab the meter so I could show you exactly. Oh, here. Sorry for the crappy camera work. So exactly 55.5. That's the length, and from edge to edge, it's about 7 inches. 7 inches, but then you have this glass coming out. That doesn't matter. And Yep, 19 inches. So that is the true dimensions of this model. And this is gonna go on this area right there. That's a work in progress, but I'm gonna absolutely show you the video after it's installed and how it runs. But I'm gonna do a quick run test to see how it is. Okay, so just turn it on. I was actually worried that the heat maybe, because I see the vent here, I thought maybe the heat is coming out here, and as well as from the side, which will defeat the purpose because I want to recess that, and so all this part will have to be inside, and you just would see, you know, the front of it. But luckily that's not the case. I thought I read the description wrong, but see, so the heat is coming out from right here. So the heat is coming out from the front, which means it's perfectly fine for the recess, and as they said it in their description as well. I still have to put the stones and everything, but it is good. It has a couple of settings on the remote for the heat and as well as for the light. That's for the heat. That's for the light. So it has orange, you know, low, and blue, low and high. So 4 settings, 2 lights, 4 settings. That's what you got on it. Yeah. So I'll put the, well, I'm gonna put the decorative stones and everything in here once I build the place for it. But I'll share that with you, and I'll see how much heat it generates. Right now it's on high. I guess it's okay. You know, this is not the primary source of heat for us here, and so it's totally fine. But it does look pretty good. Looks nice. It's gonna look awesome once I make the TV and you know, on top of it, all this place. And by the way, that's the TV I got. There's TV. Instructions are pretty good. They're pretty straightforward. It tells you everything about the dimension and how you're supposed to recess it. Warnings, of course. They do not recommend to hardwire it, and they recommend to just kind of use the outlet to just plug it in and unplug it from the power when you're not using it. This is a it's pretty good. It does power off if overheats, but of course it's just the button. You know, it's just cutting the power. The source is still there. So I'll once I put it up there, I'll complete the video with showing you how it looks up there. But I really like the look of it. It is nice. The material is nice. You know, you can tell it's a good quality. It's not cheap. It's sturdy. You know, and